All right, guys, welcome back to Programs and Equipment. My name is Matthew Cone. Make sure you guys hit the like and subscribe. It is Cone's Graphics with another Programs and Equipment. Yes, we are halfway through the season, and today I'm going to go over with one of my favorite pieces of equipment. I created a unboxing tutorial for it, so we're going to leave a link somewhere below. But we're going to go over the touchscreen Godox monitor. Today, that is my current use monitor. I'm actually currently looking at the monitor right now. It's one of my favorite pieces of equipment I've ever used. I am not so good at looking at small screens, so a pro of the Godox monitor, you're able to get a professionally clear looking, crispy, live version of what you're currently filming, right? That is one of the pros. Upgrade of mine, I've looked into a couple of different monitors, but I really need to do some research. So if you guys have any suggestions, please send them to me for upgrade for a monitor. I currently have 2 cameras and I absolutely would love to have another monitor to use. You just never know. So again, the equipment that I want to go over with you guys today is the touchscreen Godox monitor. One thing I did forget to mention to you guys is I love being able to see my focus points. With the touchscreen Godox monitor, it does allow you to specifically select out your focus points. So right now my focus points are like in green. That'd be fire if I can actually show you. I'm gonna figure out how to do that, but again, that's another pro. And I haven't figured out an upgrade, but make sure you guys leave a comment for me. Again, this is Programs and Equipments. This is Matthew Cone from Cone's Graphics. Thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure you guys hit the like and subscribe. Peace.